Hey, this is Eric. Welcome back to the African Homestead. I just want to take a couple minutes to share about a new series that I'm going to be starting soon. And it is based on some videos that I shot during a regenerative grazing workshop with Greg Judy. And these are my two most popular videos of all time on this channel. It's been an amazing run with those two videos. But the downside of them is their running time combined is almost 2 hours long, which is a little bit of a big chunk of time for most people. So what I have decided to do is recut all those videos and focus them in on certain subjects that he covers during those. So they're going to be a lot shorter, and I think they're going to be more accessible for those who are interested in what Greg has to teach. And so I'd love for you to join me along. I'm going to try to post one each week until we make it through all the material. And I'm going to recut everything, so there may be some new material also included in there for those of you who have watched it in the past. But I hope to have you join me, and it's going to be a blast, and you're going to learn a ton. See you later.